Final assignment by Krishan Roberts. St. Edward High School is a Catholic school in Lakewood, Ohio. St. Edward is a part of the Holy Cross tradition, and which means they educate the hearts of mind with a group of young men to have the consequence and courage to act as men to hope and transform the world. The pride of the Eagles Athletic is built on a long-standing championship tradition. Great foundation of coaches while student athletes strive for excellence academically and in athletics. For a number of St. Edward student athletes, their talent opens door at many opportunities beyond the high school level. Many students at St. Edward further their education and plan careers at nation's top colleges and universities. Today I'll be focusing on facility upgrades. St. Edward is in need of a new football stadium, a gymnasium, and a weight room. The football field is called Brother James Everett CSC Stadium. St. Edward is in need of a whole remake of the whole athletics facility. The football field needs a new entrance, stands, and concessions. The stands can't hold over 500 people. Concessions are nowhere to be found at the St. Edward High School, and there's no entrance to the stadium. There's literally a gate surrounding, and we call it practice. But St. Ed's is a powerhouse high school, so it is in need of its own high school instead of playing games at a public school 5 minutes away. We play all home games at Lakewood High School instead of playing at our own school. If we had a stadium at St. Ed's, I think that would open up a lot more doors and opportunities for St. Ed's. Also, the gymnasium is in need of new flooring and a scoreboard. I think with those updates, not only the tradition of having the banners hang, but it would just make a whole new, fresh start for the St. Edward basketball program. An uplift would really help in these ways. The facility needs in the weight room are just the same. The weight room needs dumbbells, plates, and fresh wall paint. With these things being done, I think that would make a very big difference in our performance in the weight room. Without the resources that we are needed, the performance in the weight room cannot be considered the best if we consider ourselves the best school in Ohio. So a weight room upgrade would be also lovely for the St. Edward community. The facility is important. St. Edward's campus has not had any facility updates in the past 10 years. And St. Ed's just agreed with a Nike Elite sponsorship, which means the facilities need to be upgraded. A championship culture is a representation of the entire athletics department, not just performance. What I plan to do about it is create a new home football stadium. Call it the Madhouse. The Madhouse will be something for the St. Edward community to shine on every day for alum, current students, and future Eagles to come along. An upgrade to gymnasium would bring a new scoreboard and new flooring, will just flourish the basketball team into performing in ways that they may not have ever been looking at before. And also, I think renovating the weight room would create a lot more opportunities for our athletes to grow and physically, not only just using our current weights, but if we had new weights, it can advance a lot of things that we do in the weight room. My plan implications are creating a budget, and then once the facilities have been implemented to the campus, it makes the school more attractive for student athletes around the city to apply. Staff and students will benefit from the advancements in our athletic department. In evaluating success, enrollment on sports teams is something that I could look at for success rate of these updates. The revenue brought in from the new stadium can be something else, evaluating to see how successful this has been and just the overall growth of the athletic department. Thank you for watching and have a good one.